All right, guys, Coach Thurman here. In this video, we're going to jot down some note cards real quick, and then I want to talk to you about that sheet, the application sheet that you got in class. So let's not waste any time. All right, guys, here are your note cards. What you want to do is I'm going to go through this kind of quickly, so you'll need to pause this video as we go through pretty fast. Again, this is the front side of the note card, quadratic applications, number 9. Here is the front. Here is the back. Quadratic formula. This is quadratics number 10, EOCT. There's the front side, and here is the back. Look at that. Awesome stuff. Okay, guys, so this sheet that you got here, we're going to go through the wonderful applications that you see here. This is amazing. Now, what I want to direct your attention to is all 3 of these have a leading coefficient of a negative number, negative 16. Notice not x, but t squared. Number 2, negative 4.9 t squared. And number 3, now I'm using x, but I'll tell you what x means in the problem, but it's negative. So what I want you to do is just on the back of this sheet, I want you to jot down why the first term would have to be negative. So I want you to jot down why all of these have a first term as a negative value. So why is a negative in all 3? That's what I want you to put on the back of this sheet. Okay, so the big thing with this stuff is you have an equation that has not an x for most of these. They have t, and obviously t is going to be time, and most of the time it's time in seconds. Okay, and notice it's not y equals, it's h equal, and I tell you that h is talking about the height of something that's being modeled here. So if you read over these problems, you don't have to answer anything, but just kind of be familiar before you come in tomorrow. Like what are we looking for? Find the maximum height. Find the amount of time it takes for the ball to hit the ground. On the note card, I tell you what the ground height should be. But we're going to, tomorrow when you come in class, we're going to work through some of these in class and to go through them, take our time with them, kind of graph them and see what's going on with these applications. We're going to talk a little bit more about that tomorrow. But the one thing I want you to do is, again, why do all of these start off with a being a negative number? That's what I want you to put on the back of this video. So that's it for the video. I'll see you in class tomorrow.